We often preach about not hurting others, but we forget how often we hurt ourselves. Hurting others is a serious matter. Yes, but hurting our own hearts is just as big a deal. We carry pain inside us, overanalyze things, and go into deep emotional spirals. That's dangerous. Sometimes we care deeply about people who were never meant to stay in our lives. It's like holding on to burning coal who gets burned in the end. You ask. We keep holding on to anger, resentment, and hatred as if we're punishing someone else. But the truth is, we're punishing ourselves. Think about how much weight you're carrying. Hatred, bitterness, regrets there, like burning embers in your chest. Regret is nothing but a slowly burning fire within you. Even God, who created everything, said, "Ask for forgiveness sincerely, and I will forgive you." What could be greater than that? You get a clean slate just by sincerely asking. But we doubt that too. We think, maybe even God won't forgive me. That's a sickness. We must believe that the one who created us is the most forgiving. If he says, "I will forgive you," then he means it not just for you, but for all of humanity. He forgives everyone who asks sincerely. But the problem is that we, as humans, are not willing to forgive. We stay stuck in our ego and resentment. That's where the damage starts, right there. We talk about not hurting others, but what about hurting ourselves? We must learn to protect our own hearts. Sometimes we must pause and reflect on our own pain, our own needs. Maybe you'll find this strange, but I want you to do a small activity with me. Just place your hand over your heart and think deeply. You'll feel a change. This small gesture can help you connect with thousands of your buried thoughts and emotions. Love isn't just about caring for others. Real love also means caring for yourself. If someone can't take care of themselves, how can they truly care for someone else? Just like an oxygen mask on a plane, you retold to put it on yourself first before helping others. If you can't survive, you can't help your children either. Imagine children whose sick father is lying helpless in bed. They reforced to labor just to make ends meet. That's why self-care matters. Your hard work, your energy, it's keeping your life running. That's why it's okay to pause, to take a break, to rest. Tell yourself, I deserve love too. I deserve care. I must give my best, but not at the cost of my own peace. Remember, we all need to give ourselves that margin.